It's now time to talk about studying at the university. This section will help you get the most out of your academic experience here at the university. First up, we'll introduce the Personal Academic Tutor System, or your PAT. Your PAT is here to guide you through your studies, offering advice and support when you need it. Think of them as your go-to person for any academic questions or challenges that you might face. Next, we have details on our libraries, study spaces, and some of the technologies that you would use when studying with us. Whether you need a quiet space to concentrate or a collaborative space for group work, our libraries have it all. We also have the English for Academic Purposes team, who are dedicated to supporting our international students with English language skills. They offer workshops, one-to-one sessions, and resources to help you excel in your academic writing and communication. When it comes to assessments, we'll give you the lowdown on what to expect. From essays to exams, we'll cover the different types of assessments and how to prepare for them. And finally, we will touch on academic conduct, which is about maintaining honesty and integrity in your studies and is really important when it comes to passing your assessments. With all these resources and support systems in place, you will have everything you need to succeed academically.